What is the role of the police prosecutor? A criminal offense is regarded as a public wrong. क्रिमिनल ऑफेंस क्या होता है? जब किसी पब्लिक के साथ कोई गलत हुआ होता है, अन्याय हुआ होता है, तो हम पब्लिक प्रोसेक्टर की मदद लेता है. What is meant by this is that it is considered to have been committed not only against that affect the victim but against the society as a whole. Do you remember the case of the dreary death of the Sudha that we read about in the previous chapter? The case वो नहीं है. The case पता नहीं against the accused Lakshman and his family was presented by the state. That is why the case was called the State Delhi Administration. वो पढ़ाई का खा लेना दिख नहीं रहा. Versus Lakshmi Kumar and the others. Similarly, the above case can be the call at State versus Shanti Hamram and not Mrs. Sindhe versus Shanti Hamram. In the court, it is the public prosecutor who represent the interest of the state. The role of the prosecutor begins once the police has conducted the investigation and filed the charge sheet in the court. He or she has no role to play in the investigation. The prosecutor must conduct the prosecution on behalf of the state. As an officer of the court, it is his or her duty to act impartially and present the full and the material fact, witness, and the evidence before the court to enable the court to decide the case. So, tell me, Mr. Sindhe, how did the gold chain go missing? So, I had kept my chain in the drawer. Shanti stole it. No other outsider except Shanti goes into my room. Mr. Sindhe searched her trunk in front of me and we were shocked to find 10,000 rupees and an envelope. Shanti got this money from selling my gold chain and she is a thief. और वो ही उसी ने चोरी करी है. What is the role of the judge? The judge is like an umpire in a game and conduct the trial impartially and in the open court. Judge एक गेम में अंपायर की तरह होता है जो कि कंडक्ट करता है कि उसमें क्या काम हो रहा है, जैसे कि ओपन कोर्ट में. The judge hears all the witness and any other evidence presented by the prosecution and the defense. तो जज सभी के एविडेंस को सुनता है, सभी के विटनेस को सुनता है, जो एविडेंस लाए होते हैं उनको भी सुनता है, जो उनके प्रोसेक्शन है उनके फेवर में या उनके डिफेंस में. द जज डिसाइड्स whether the accused person is guilty or innocent on the basis of the evidence present and in accordance with the law. तो जज डिसाइड करता है कि वो पर्सन गुनहगार है या बेगुनाह है उस एविडेंस के बेसिस पर. If the accused is convicted, the judge pronounces the sentence. He may send the person to jail or impose a fine or both depending on what the law prescribe. फिर अगर सपोज कि उन्होंने क्राइम किया है और ये साबित हो जाता है तो फिर वो जज उसको जेल भेज देता है और या तो फिर उससे फाइन लेते हैं या तो फिर उसको उस पर्सन को जेल भी जाना पड़ता है and you also have to pay the fine also depending on the law prescribed जो कि law में लिखा उस according. So what did the judge say in the Shanti case after hearing the testimony of all the witness? तो शांति के केस में जज ने क्या बोला होगा सभी विटनेस के बारे में सुनने के बाद? तो जज ने क्या डिसाइड किया होगा शांति के केस में? The next is, what is a fair trial? Fair trial क्या होता है? Let us for a moment imagine that might happen if the judge decided to try Shanti case very differently. जज ने डिसाइड किया है, इमेजिन करो कि जज ने शांति के केस को बहुत अलग तरीके से ले रखा है. वॉट इफ द कोर्ट डिड नॉट गिव अ कॉपी ऑफ द चार्जशीट. सपोज करो कि कोर्ट अगर चार्जशीट की कॉपी ही नहीं देगा. एंड द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द विटनेस टू शांति, और शांति के जो विटनेस है उसको भी नहीं. वॉट इफ ही हैड द ट्रायल in the secret location where neither Shanti nor Sushil were present. सपोज करना है कि सीक्रेट लोकेशन पर लेकर जाए जहाँ शांति और सुशील नहीं हो. वॉट इफ ही डिड नॉट गिव द शांति लॉयर. अगर उन्होंने शांति को लॉयर नहीं दिया होता तो क्या होता. Advocate Rao enough time to question the witness of the prosecution such as Mrs. Sindhe, and instead had already decided that Shanti was guilty. If they had happened, then it would be a case of an unfair trial. अगर ऐसा नहीं हो पाता, शांति बेगुनाह होकर भी उसको सजा मिलती तो ये unfair trial होता. This is because for a trial to be fair, several different procedures have to be observed. Article 21 of the Constitution that granted the right to life states that the person's life